Avvo Legal Consultation Scheduling App. The pros, the cons. The Avvo Legal Consultation Scheduling App is designed to make booking legal advice quick and simple, but most people assume finding a lawyer is time-consuming and expensive. The surprising truth is that this app streamlines the process, connecting users with qualified attorneys and offering flexible scheduling in minutes. One major pro is convenience. Users can search by practice area, location, and availability, then book consultations directly through the app. For example, someone needing a business contract review can find a nearby attorney with openings the same week, avoiding lengthy calls or back-and-forth emails. Another advantage is transparency. Avvo includes lawyer ratings, reviews, and experience summaries, helping users make informed decisions about whom to hire. This reduces the uncertainty and risk often associated with selecting legal counsel. However, there are cons. While the app simplifies booking, it doesn't guarantee outcomes or replace the need for thorough legal representation. Some users may need follow-up consultations or additional legal support beyond initial meetings. In conclusion, the Avvo Legal Consultation Scheduling App is perfect for individuals seeking fast, accessible, and informed connections with attorneys. It streamlines the process of finding legal help while maintaining transparency and reliability, empowering users to take control of their legal need efficiently.